Alright guys, I'm here to demonstrate gravity for you real quick. Alright, so you have your tiny sun, which is going to be a little dot on there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and what it's going to do is it's going to push everything out. All the heat and everything off the sun is going to go in all directions. Yes, there's more directions, but I'm only doing 4 of them. And then as those push out, they get, because the radiation of the sun, it creates this invisible radiation of ozone layer. When the heat hits the ozone layer, it wants to split into 2 directions on each one. Now as that happens, and then you have all the cold out here. All the cold that's out here wants into the center part because it's just sitting out here. So when the heat goes out and there's heat that shoots off in this direction, this direction, this direction, and this direction, you have this form of the cold and the hot that's forming these almost heart-shaped petals all the way around. Just like that. Now all this, and then as these arrows push out heat this way, this way, this way, and this way, you have your cold getting in here, 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 and here. As you can see that right here, all these arrows that are going in, that's your gravity. And that's not cold forcing its way in there. That's the heat causing these to go out and being forced back by the layer of ozone, which is caused by the cold and the heat that's causing the heat source. It's the boundary of how far the heat can actually travel, and it's being pushed back at itself to form gravity. And the reason why our sun has a gravitational pull is exactly of this. But the reason why the Earth actually works is because I think a meteor came and hit a smaller sun, which caused it to cause our tectonic plates, our cracks in our holes, our volcanic, all that material coming from the center is all caused by a meteor that came and hit and cracked it. Just like as if you were to throw, say, an egg with a BB, it just would crack the entire outer shell. That's what it does. So if this makes sense to you, that'd be awesome. But this is for everybody. All right.